Yo, so I've had my 97 K1500 for about 3-4 years now, and it's always had this issue with taking off from a stop. If I push the pedal too hard, it bogs down, sputters and spats, and like it won't get to speed. So I essentially have to feather the accelerator really lightly, just give only what the engine's allowing me to have. So I'm gonna, just on a whim, based on my research, I'm gonna swap out the Mass Air Flow sensor. Today I'll show you the power of a new MAF sensor. It pulled no codes, but you know, you gotta start swapping out parts. You can't just wait for a code that may or may not ever show. So the Mass Air Flow sensor's gotta go. This is the one I went with. Alright, I'm gonna save you the 3 hours of research I did on the Mass Air Flow sensor, where to get it. Go to 1A Auto. There's the part number, EMS 00040. $70. It's got a lifetime warranty. What I love about this website is they usually have videos to go with the repairs, very well done. And their parts seem to be of good quality, and now they actually give you a lifetime warranty on this MAF. Most of the ones on the web, cheaper. This one costs $70 for a lifetime warranty. The ones on the web were super cheaper, like $40-50, 1 year warranty, if even that. And then the next best option would be a remanufactured AC Delco. You can't get an original OEM AC Delco; they don't exist. The one I found on eBay, it was a scam. They charged me like $80 shipping, and it came from like Lithuania. No joke. Anyway, the OEM, the remanufactured AC Delco is like $250, and you get 1, maybe 2 years max warranty on it. And everybody that's used them, a lot of the people said the quality was so bad, like they would prefer to go with a $50 cheap Chinese knockoff with a 1 year warranty than spend the money on that. So I decided to go with TRQ, lifetime warranty, still made in China, whatever. That's the choices I have. I would buy in the USA. All right, I'm gonna try and show you some audio-visual proof of what this truck is doing. All right, we're at a stop. We're gonna take a right turn and try and floor it. Hear that? Sputter, sputter. No acceleration. Sputter, 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 no acceleration. Terrible. And there it finally shifted. All right, so that's the proof. That's what I wanted to show. Now I'm gonna swap this part out and see what happens. All right, so now I'm gonna show you what happens when I feather the accelerator, only taking what the engine gives me. I reached 30 mile an hour, probably 3-4 times faster with less accelerator. Okay, first step, pry out on this lip, pull the electrical out from the Mass Air Flow sensor MAF. Now we're gonna loosen that clamp and this clamp as well, pull that apart. Okay, with that clamp loosed, it pulled off the intake super easy. With the other clamp loosened, it pried off here super easy. No need to use a screwdriver, just use your hands. With everything open, I went to look at the new part, and then I got to thinking, you know what, there's 3 on top, 2 in the bottom. It looks like there's a spot for a third. Did I get a part with a piece broken out of it? But you can see the original has the same design, 3 on top, 2 on bottom. This clamp, loosen it, and then it literally pulls off via hand. No need like the other video where the guy had to pry with the screwdriver and he was bending this clamp. I mean, it's out. Like literally that took 30 seconds. Okay, let's compare the old and the new. Fit looks great. Electronics look the same. Other side, same. I mean, there's some wear and tear to that screen, but next we're gonna transfer the rubber here and the clamp onto the new unit. Same situation, I just pull this off with my hand, no screwdriver required. Okay, the new unit pops back on, just do a little shimmy and it slides right on. We're gonna tighten the clamp. Okay, next bring this back in, push this end on first, and then the other end on. Now it's in here and ain't going anywhere. There is some pushback here, so as you tighten this one, we'll do that first. I'm gonna apply pressure towards the MAF so I get a good secure fit there, and then tighten that one up lastly. And this is just a little bit of common sense, but these plastic nubbins here ensure that you get your clamp in the right spot, both sides. Okay, she's all back together. Electrical's in. We're gonna take it for a test drive. Okay, first test, I'm gonna start it up, the new MAF in. A bad MAF can actually cause startup issues, so if this is new bad, which happens, we'll find out. So I'm gonna start it up. Started right up, seems normal, but let's do our acceleration test from 0. This test can be performed on your block. No need to go on a major road. So far it sounds normal. I believe there might be a recalibration time for this repair. I have to look that up. So, I mean, this might be a pointless test at this point, but let's try it here. All right, from a stop. Holy was fast. Oh my God, I spun out. Holy crap. I just gained like 30 horse. And it doesn't hesitate. I'm ecstatic, dude. Holy, pardon my French. Last thing I want to point out, guys, is that I never once pulled a code that told me my mass airflow sensor was bad. Oh man, I'm so happy. You know, the other thing is I've had this in the shop, a pro, and at no point did they tell me, hey, you might want to swap out that mass airflow sensor. Why? Because it wasn't pulling the code, and that's not how they work. Anywho, give it a try, guys. Longevity to be determined, but like I said, it's a lifetime warranty part. So I'm gonna always hang on to my original, keep it in the truck. If this new lifetime warranty part fails, starts acting up, I'll swap them out, get a new one, rinse, repeat.